Welcome to my clean, fresh makeup tutorial. Okay, so I am using the It Cosmetics CC cream. And you can tell right now that it looks like it has a lot of pigment to it. But once you start blending it out, it's very thin. Like, could you tell? It's one of my favorite products at the moment. I've tried all the foundations in the world, and this one is my favorite. Right now, I'm using it by itself. If you want to go for a fresh look, makeup look, try using a foundation that is a shade lighter than you. I noticed that in Korea and the K beauty atmosphere, they like the lightened skin, and they purposely use lighter skinned foundations in Indian cultures and in Korean cultures to give a more youthful and bright look. I think that's why this look is considered clean, because it looks bright. Here is my favorite tip. Never wash your blush brush. Try to say that. Blush brush. Oh my god, you can't. This blush brush is very dirty, but when I'm doing a natural makeup look, it has the perfect amount of makeup and blush left over, so it just blushes up the whole face. I've been starting applying my blush at the apples of my cheeks and under my eye, and then blowing outwards. Try it out, because I know the new trend of applying blush is really high on the cheekbones, and it gives you a more, in parentheses, snatched look, but that look is kind of boring. There's no emotion to it, so just slap it all over your cheek. Here I am applying brow gel and then flattening them down and then setting them with powder. It's kind of like gluing your brows down, like laying the textures on your face flat. Here I am using Ruby Woo. If you are a girl or a woman or a mom, you have Ruby Woo, or you tried Ruby Woo lipstick. It is the most popular lipstick ever in like the history of makeup. And I love red lipstick because red lipstick holds a certain aura of sexuality to it. And there's some famous album covers or in movies where they use Ruby Woo. So Ruby Woo will live for generations and generations and generations. Taylor Swift has used it, RuPaul has used it, to name a few. But I layered liquid lipstick, a nude liquid lipstick, over it and around it to just make it more blurred and more youthful. Oh my god, here I am using my MAC paint pot, which makes me feel like a 2000s girl, a 2002 girl, ready to be on Sex and the City. If you ever watch Sex and the City or any rom-coms in the 2000s, you can see their eyelids has really full coverage on it, which I love, and I never understood how you get that much coverage on your eyelid. But doing some research and some just thinking, I came to the conclusion that it's MAC paint pot because it's a dry concealer, and you flatten it on the lid and it creates a full coverage canvas for you to draw on, and it looks so cool on camera. I love watching women's makeup in the 2000s and seeing that full coverage matte eyelid. But here I have my MAC paint pot with Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter gel all over my lid. Do this trick if you need a quick, cool euphoria inspired makeup look. Glitter gel and any dollar glitter, just pack it on. You can tell that it looks really pigmented, but once you blend it out and let it set, it looks like a sheer wash of iridescence. Here I have my Prince and Urban Decay white eyeliner to open up the eye and to just brighten up the whole face. I love me a black eyeliner moment, but just white on its own is cool. It gives like a floating eye effect, so no one can really tell what you're looking at. And maybe you can't either, because sometimes the white eyeliner like fogs up your eye. I am using the Jason Wu setting spray. I really like his brand, and it's available at Target. It's just good makeup. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just really good makeup. And the price point it's fair. It's not super cheap, but it's not super high. I recommend you picking up anything from his brand. Everything I've tried, which has been lip liners and setting spray, have been perfect. A blue mascara to go with our Euphoria inspired makeup look. I was listening to Taylor Swift during the filming of this. Oops. So if you can feel Taylor Swift energy in this video, give me a thumbs up if you're a Swiftie too. Do you think we're getting Speak Now Taylor's version or 1989 Taylor's version next? I think we're getting 1989. I think she wants to have fun again, and the world wants fun, don't they? In 1989 is pop master gold. Talking about 1989, pose for the Polaroid. I gotta take a picture of this moment before I forget it, before you forget it. And here it is. This is a video of what a boy can do in the year 2022. What can you do with an iPhone? Show the world. Just make it and upload it. You never know what can change your life, right? But anyways, goodbye. I hope you gain some inspiration from this clean beauty, fresh makeup tutorial. Bye-bye.